Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Tag Manager for SEO event tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Google Tag Manager for SEO event tracking, first, ensure you have a Google Tag Manager account set up. Log in to your Google Tag Manager account. Create a new container for your website if you haven't done so already. Select the web option when prompted about the type of container. Once the container is created, copy the container code snippet displayed. Next, paste this code into the header section of your website. Now, navigate to your Google Analytics account. In Google Analytics, identify the property linked to the website you are tracking. Return to Google Tag Manager and click on Tags in the left-hand menu. Click on the New button to create a new tag. Name your tag something descriptive, like SEO event tracking. Choose tag configuration and select Google Analytics, Universal Analytics. Set track type to event. Now, fill in the required fields such as category, action, label, and value based on the events you wish to. Next, click on triggering to set up when your tag should fire. If you want to track specific actions, create a new trigger by clicking the plus button. Select the trigger type that fits your event, like click or form submission. Define the specific conditions for your trigger. After configuring your trigger, click Save to finish setting it up. Double-check your tag and trigger settings to ensure everything is correct. To test your setup, click on Preview in Google Tag Manager. This will allow you to see a debug mode on your website. Perform the actions on your website that you want to track. Check the debug window to confirm that your tag is firing as expected. Once confirmed, return to Google Tag Manager and click Submit to publish your changes. It's important to give your version a name and add notes to document the changes. Finally, monitor the events in Google Analytics to see if the tracking is working successfully. Repeat these steps for any additional events you want to track with Google Tag Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.